Welcome again. In this video we are going to map this ER model, that means the ER diagram that we created in the last video, to relational model, that means tables. Table is schema, to be more precise. We are converting the diagram into table schemas. So let's look into again, this is something you don't have to do in your project report. This is not mandatory, but if you want to make it better, you can do it like this. Otherwise, you can just write down your final tables like this. Okay, so I have extracted this part of the ER diagram here so that it is easy to understand for you. So regarding department and program, this is one-to-many relationship. So department is simple. This part here is getting converted to this department ID, name and HOD. This is very simple. And for program, again for program, from here to here is simple, nothing serious here. And here in this part we have added department ID so that we know this program belongs to which department, and I have mentioned FK here. FK means foreign key. This means foreign key, and this is one-to-many relationship, so I have added one foreign key here like this. Okay, this is simple. So next step is checking for lecturer. So this is lecturer entity and its attributes. Obviously you have to add all this, but there is also a relationship between lecturer and department, and that is many-to-many relationship, because a lecturer could be working on more than one departments, and obviously one department have multiple lecturers. So this is a many-to-many relationship. In many-to-many relationship, you have to create a separate table. So here is the lecturer table. This looks like two tables, but this is one single table. Due to lack of space, I have just continued it to the next line here. So this is a single table for lecturer, and this is for lecturer and department, which lecturer belongs to or which lecturer teaches in which department, and both are foreign keys here, and these together are forming a composite primary key or composite key here. And also this is multi-valued attribute here, contact number. Because of that I have not included contact number here in this table, because this violates the first normal form, as we know. So for contact number, I have created another table, lecturer ID and contact number, just like we do in the normalization process. And now comes student, one of the core entity, and this has many-to-one relationship from student to program. So many to this should be okay. This should be many-to-one relationship between student and program, and we'll have to use program ID as a foreign key in student table. So this is done here. Normal student table, okay, this shouldn't be here, this is my mistake. Student ID, the primary key, and program ID, the foreign key from program entity. And again for contact number, we are adding a separate table like this, just like for the lecturer. And for subject has relationship with program and lecturer, so we'll have to create multiple tables accordingly. So first will be subject, all the attributes related to subject, and which lecturer teaches which subject, lecturer, subject, both foreign keys. And then we have which subject is related to which program. Okay, program has many subjects, and that subject could be taught in many programs, so this is also many-to-many relationship. Both of these are many-to-many relationships. That's why we have created two separate tables here. So I hope you understand it. this part here, the final schemas is just copy of the schemas above without this description and ER diagram. So these are the copies of, these are the final schemas. So I hope you understand till now, and in the next video we will be doing the most exciting part, that is using SQL. We will be using MySQL to create all these tables. Thank you for watching.